Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where you guys can learn and having fun together with drawing. Alright, in today's video, we're going to draw asparagus. So it's a consider vegetables. Alright, I will need you to prepare your stuff and let's go. Alright guys, at the beginning, I need you to follow me. So we're going to draw with a curved line like this. So I will start with something like this, so you guys can follow from here. So just all the way going down like this, right, like this guys. Okay, then after that from here also, then you can going down like this, right? So I will start from here again, then you guys can follow, right? Okay, then after that you can connect this dot to this dot. Okay, all right. Alright guys, it looks great. Then let's start to give some detail of asparagus. So from here I need you to give this line like this. Alright, then also this line here, and then this line here. Alright, looks great. Then after that, in here you can give some sort of this line, but a little bit like, you know, like ahead of the thing. So I will start from here. You guys can follow me like this, right? Then like this, then like this, then like this. All right guys, okay guys, all right, looks great. So this is like asparagus shape looks like. Then I will draw the another one here. So let's repeat this process to this side. So all right, so like this, then like this, right, like this, like this. Okay, then this one is a little bit different like this. Right, after that it's continue with this, you know, shape here like this. All right, all right, okay guys, I think this is the asparagus looks like. So in here I will give expression. So I will give eyes here and here, right? Then I will start with the eyes here, so you guys can follow. Just give here like this, then like this, right? Then just give a small circle with a white color inside like this. Right, then after that just give the mud here like this. All right, then the next one I will go with the blink eyes like this, like this. All right, then also smiley mud. All right guys, I think this is the shape of the asparagus looks like, and I will color this draw, and then you guys can follow. All right, I will speed up the video. Let's go. Alright guys, this is the asparagus final result. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learning something today. Please subscribe. Alright guys, this is the final result of asparagus. Hope you guys learning something today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye bye guys. Thank you so much.